Hello viewers, here we are on the east coast of New South Wales, Australia, at a solar wind installation. What we have is 3.2 kilowatts of Grid Connect PV into a 3.6 kilowatt Aurora. We've also got a couple of battery charging panels and a little wind turbine which is running into a couple of 100 amp hour of Sonashine solar gel batteries that service the office and LED lighting system that we've run throughout the house, and also the entertainment area, the household. Here we've installed a little gantry or walkway just for convenience and safety across a section of the roof, and once the generous feed-in tariff on the Grid Connect system ceases in a couple of years, we will be incorporating a hybrid battery charge controller with some gel batteries to run the whole household. What we've got is a tilt frame system on the flat roof to optimise at 25 degrees, and each string is protected by DC isolation as per Australian standards. Now what we'll do is we'll just pop downstairs, have a look at a couple of the other features that have been incorporated and designed into the system. So what we have here is a couple of little screens or little data loggers. One on the left is showing our output of the Grid Connect system. It's roughly August, mid-August, about 10 o'clock, and the system's performing quite nicely. On the right hand side, just as important, is a little screen showing the electrical consumption or the base load consumption of the household, and we've worked hard to reduce our baseload consumption outside of obviously breakfast and dinner times, generally the domestic peaks, to bring our baseload down around an average of around 300 watts. And certainly with the generous feed-in tariff, the Grid Connect system, and also the incorporation of reducing base loads, the solar system is covering both electricity, water and gas costs, which is quite good for a 3.2 kilowatt system. And the size of the system was designed around providing the initial energy audit for the client, and with the consideration that in the future the Grid Connect system will be incorporated or implemented with the charge controller and the hybrid charge controller and batteries, a bank of batteries, to provide a hybrid supply of power for the household ongoing. Now what we have here is we've got the Aurora 3.6 kilowatt PVI inverter, 2 strings with DC isolation, because we've sited the inverter in the best location, but also not a remote or not next to the meter box. We've had to provide AC isolation on the Grid Connect system, and here we have switch gear and the battery controller for the wind turbine and the PV panels that are charging the battery, and one of the DC to AC inverters. And down here what we've done is we've configured the Grid Connect Aurora system with Aurora Communicator, and that enables the client to identify a whole range of data on their DC side, and certainly if we go down to energy harvesting, we'll load up information that will provide week, daily, yearly and lifetime data. So in all, the results have been exceedingly exceedingly good, and yeah, we look forward to the future development of the hybrid system.